Hi everyone, Aga here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and I'm here with another fun LITE collection unboxing for you. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. In this video, I'll unbox with you the mid-September LITE collection, Treasures of Time. And I'm actually pretty excited for this one because it's a little bit different than our regular collections. There's a lot more of something that we don't usually include that much of. So let's see what's inside. In case you haven't heard of them before, Eureka Collections are unique assortments of beads or palettes of beads that are carefully curated based on an inspiration photo, and we release them twice a month. The main collection is released at the beginning of the month on the first Thursday, and the LITE collection, which is a smaller, more focused collection, is released around the middle of the month on a Monday. So this is the collection, and this is the inspiration photo for this collection. I think it's so inspiring, so gorgeous, and that's why in this one we included lots more findings, but about that in a minute. Meanwhile, let me show you that with the collection you also get this very useful piece of paper. So in the front here, you have a little blurb, a little inspiration paragraph, which is supposed to get your creative juices flowing and is related to the theme. So for this one, you hear the whisper of forgotten worlds where time drapes itself in bronze and the glow of hidden treasures is waiting for you to find them. Dark glass glimmers with the sheen of ages-old secrets, and weathered tools that once guided brave explorers rest beside maps faded by countless journeys. Every tarnished edge, every worn surface holds a story suspended in stillness. In this quiet, adventure hums just beneath the surface, holding a treasure not of riches, but of moments preserved in rust in memory. Well, this is a long one, just like this collection, because it is 21 products, which is almost as many as we include in our regular main collections that are launched every first Thursday of the month. So on this list, you can see the name of the collection and you can see all of the products that are included. They are all numbered, so you can just look at the number, look it up on the list, and then use the SKU number to enter it into the search bar on the website at EurekaCrystalBeads.com to find more of the products that you like. That's another great thing about Eureka Collections. They're a great sampler where you can try many different beads. They're already color matched, and then you can just buy more of whichever one you like. Alright, let's put this gorgeous inspiration photo aside and let's explore everything that this collection has to offer. As per the usual, let's start with seed beads, and maybe I'll start with number 5. Which is Toho macadamia beads in 4mm, which I find the most useful, and they are in this gorgeous metallic bronze color that matches so well with the theme of the collection, and you get a full tube of them. By the way, I forgot to mention, but actually a part of the Treasures of Time collections will feature Miyuki macadamias in the same color instead of Tohos. They can be used in the same way and the quantity you get is the same, so there's hardly any difference, but we thought it's always better to know, so you're not alarmed when you get the equivalent but a different product. Then you get 2 tubes of Miyuki beads. Now, before I discuss them, please keep in mind that they are packed by weight. So in this one, for example, you get 10 grams of beads, which is about this much, so the tube might not be filled to the brim. Well, in this case, it's 10 grams, but there's lots more different beads. So it's a little more, but still it's not filled to the brim. Alright, I decided to put the mix on a triangle tray and look at how many beads, how many different shapes and sizes you get in here. You get some bugles, 3mm bugles I can see here. You get some square cut beads. In this, I think that will be an 8/0, and this one could be a 6/0. Beautiful colors, by the way. You get a lot of rounds in 11/0, in 8/0, and I think that will be 6/0 or even larger. And then you also get some of the smaller Miyuki drops in this gorgeous amber color. So this is a very, very rich mix of beads that you can use in all sorts of different ways. And then you get a tube of 11/0s in brown iris, which is one of my favorite colors when it comes to metallics that are not gold. And I do think that this is going to be very useful. And it's going to be like the base for anything you do with seed beads using this collection. Further on, and I'm super excited for these, you get 2 baggies of Delica beads. So these are Miyuki Delicas, but they're not your usual ones. Here you have a size 8 Delica, and here you have a size 15 Delica. And there's no size 11 Delica in this collection, which is why it's a perfect combination if you get this collection and the main September collection, which is the Plot Twist collection. And it has a custom mix of 11O Delicas. And then you get this LITE collection with 8Os and 15Os in it as well. So these are like sample quantities. I do have an idea on what to do with them. Even if you don't have a size 11 Delicas in a matching color, these are going to be fine as well. And you can also use these 15Os to close the bezels. I think this collection is generally more stimulating because of the different products that we included. Besides, look at these colors. This is like inside color, lined Delica, and I love it. It's like golden, but a little bit of an orange golden. It's so pretty. And here we have a transparent luster color, which is so shiny and so sparkly, but also kind of dark. In any case, I'm sure I'm going to have fun with these. And that closes the selection of seed beads. Next, let's proceed to Czech beads. And the first strand that you get are these round drag beads. They are 6 millimeters and they are in bronze, very useful, and you get a strand of 50. Then the second strand you get are lentil beads. They are the 1-hole lentils, so there's just 1 hole in them because they also exist in a 2-hole variety, and these are in this beautiful suede gold color. And this strand might not look like this, but you get 50 of them, so that's quite a lot as well. Then you get some 4mm fire polish, and they are in the color tortoise, which I don't know why it's called this, but it's a beautiful amber topazy gold with some brown marbling on top. It's very organic looking. And for these 4mm fire polish, some collections will contain a slightly different matching shade called mauve, which is slightly more reddish, just so you know. Then the next Czech bead, and this time it's a 2-hole bead. We have these wipe duos, and they are in this matte metallic mix. Very pretty, very useful, and quite original. We don't often include them in the collections. Now let's get into crystals, and here we have a surprise because there's actually no crystal stones in this collection. You do get a bag of 25 4mm Krakovski faceted round beads, so that's 1 crystal product. And the only other one is this strand of over 100 3x2mm Chinese rondelle beads in bronze. So this is a staple, we just had to include it. It's gonna add sparkle to anything you make with this collection. It's very shiny, and I'll be definitely using it. So besides these 2 products, you don't really get any other crystals in this collection, but you do get 2 very special cabochons. And I'll start with this one. This is a German glass frosted cabochon with this organic, I think, oak pattern or something like that. But it's glass, it has a silver foiled back. It's absolutely gorgeous and very unique. There won't be any more of them, so if you want a cabochon like that, you need to buy this collection. And this one is 13mm. And then you get 1 round Czech glass cabochon. It's shiny, it's very tall, in this browny orange, like burnt orange color. It has a gold fold back. And it's matte, so it's going to adhere pretty well if you want to glue it onto something. And now finally, let's talk findings. I'm just going to quickly get them out of their bags. And here they are, the findings from the Treasures of Time collection. Wow, there's a lot of them. So I'll start with the basic one. You get a baggie of 20 head pins. They're 24 gauge, so pretty thin, and they're 2 inches long, which is going to be super practical. And then you get the whole lot of this. So I'm gonna start with the earring posts. They're so beautiful. So all of this is bronze plated or brass plated, and you get these earring posts. They're beautiful. They remind me of a compass, like the star that's inside the compass, and they feature the closures, the backs for the earrings as well. Then you get a pair of frames. They are textured frames, very pretty. I can already see earrings made out of them. They are 9.5 millimeters diameter, so pretty large. And then you get two of these very nice, very pretty patterned beads. They are metal beads, very ornate, very pretty. And I'm actually thinking, should I put like those beads inside the hoops so that they can like dangle in the middle there? That would be so cool. In any case, you get two of these beautiful beads, perfect for earrings. And then you get this stunning toggle clasp. It's very unique. The bar has these like fans on the sides, and the loop is this like antique style frame. I really love it. Then you get four of those Gothic style, we call them connectors. And these guys have two loops, one on each side. You can use them in bead embroidery. You can just attach them to something. They are so pretty. And finally, you're getting two types of chain, and there's a lot of chain. When I say a lot, there's a lot. And this is the mid-September 2025 LITE Collection Treasures of Time. I am super impressed by the sheer quantity of products that we get here. I'm super happy about the full tube of 11/0s. I'm very excited for the two new sizes of Miyuki Delica beads that I'll get to use. I cannot wait to make something with these glass cabochons, and I think basically all of the findings are the absolute highlight of this collection, and I especially cannot wait to make something with these hoops, with these metal beads, with these earring posts, and with the chain, of course. You will find this collection at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. Not all of these products will be available outside of the collection, or definitely not for a long time. For example, this beautiful German glass cabochon, but most of these products you can find separately at Eureka as well. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and see you in the next one. Bye!